A tiny lab in Tokyo just claimed it beat Anthropic's best model, and it pulled that off without building a bigger model at all. This is Sakana Fugu. Sakana says it goes toe-to-toe with Fable 5 and Mythos, the most powerful models Anthropic has ever shipped. So is that actually real? Let me show you. Here's the twist. Fugu is not a bigger brain. It is a model whose entire job is to command other models, one model, conducting a whole orchestra of them. To you, it looks like a single model behind a single API. But behind that one door is a whole pool of the world's best AIs. GPT, Claude, Gemini, open models. A swappable pool of frontier systems, all sitting on call, waiting to be picked for the job. A task comes in. Fugu sizes it up, picks the right models for that task, splits the work between them, and hands you back one clean answer. Inside, it hands out roles: a thinker, a worker, a checker, like a manager assembling the perfect team for every single request. And if one provider suddenly goes dark, blocked, restricted, pulled offline, Fugu just reroutes around it and keeps right on working. It comes in two flavors: plain Fugu, for everyday speed, and Fugu Ultra, for the hard, slow, high-stakes problems. It is built by Sakana AI in Tokyo, whose logo is a school of fish because their whole bet is that a swarm can beat any single giant. Sakana is not some random startup. It was founded in 2023 by David Hay, formerly of Google Brain, and Llion Jones, one of the co-authors of the paper that invented the transformer, the architecture every modern AI is built on, and their whole philosophy is taken from nature. Instead of one ever bigger model, they study swarms, evolution, and collective intelligence, the idea that many simple things, working together, can outperform one massive thing. Think of a school of fish. No single leader, no single point of failure, but together they move, adapt, and survive in ways no individual fish ever could. Fugu is that idea turned into software, and they have receipts. An earlier Sakana orchestrator entered a real coding competition against 1,000 human experts and finished 21st. So the bet that teamwork beats raw size is not new for them. So how does a model command other models? Fugu is itself a language model, but it was not trained to answer your question directly. It was trained to figure out who should. Choosing the models, splitting the work, double-checking the pieces, and stitching them back together, all of that happens inside, before a single word ever reaches you. It can even call copies of itself or run the same hard problem through several models at once and compare their answers. The messy coordination stays hidden. You just see the result. And this is not a hack someone bolted on overnight. It comes straight out of two research papers Sakana presented at a top AI conference this year, named Trinity and Conductor. Trinity uses a small, evolved coordinator that hands each model a role: thinker, worker, or verifier, and adapts who does what, turn by turn, as the problem unfolds in front of it. Conductor goes a step further. It uses reinforcement learning to discover its own coordination strategies, ways of getting models to talk to each other that no human engineer ever designed. And here is the surprising part. The collaboration patterns it finds are often strange, non-obvious, and they beat the tidy hand-built workflows that engineers normally write themselves. Best of all, it speaks the same language as OpenAI's API. Point your existing tools at it, keep your code exactly as it is, and when a new frontier model ships, Sakana folds it into the pool within about 2 weeks. Okay, back to the big claim. Better than Fable 5. Let me put the actual numbers up on the screen. On SWE-Bench Pro, the brutal real-world coding test, Fugu Ultra scores 74. That beats Opus, beats Gemini, beats GPT, every single model living inside its own pool. And it is not a one-off. Across 11 hard benchmarks, coding, reasoning, science, and agents, Fugu or Fugu Ultra lands first, or right near the top, on almost every one. Sit with that for a second. The orchestra is consistently better than any single musician playing in it. The whole genuinely beats its parts. But notice who is missing from that table. Fable 5 and Mythos are not on it, because Anthropic locked them away, and you cannot even run them to compare. So the most Sakana can honestly say is that Fugu stands shoulder to shoulder with Fable 5, matching the scores both sides have published. Not a clean win, a credible tie. And to their credit, Sakana did not just post a table of numbers. They turned Fugu loose on real, hard problems and filmed what happened. They asked it to write a Rubik's Cube solver from scratch in pure Python, no libraries. Fugu solved all 300 scrambled cubes in about 19 moves each. Two rival models shipped slick-looking code that simply crashed, 0 solved. Then, 4 games of blindfold chess, no board on screen, the entire game held in memory. Fugu beat 3 leading frontier models and a strong chess engine, staying sharp while the others drifted into mistakes. And the wild one, they let Fugu improve an AI's own training recipe. Over 14 hours, it ran 123 experiments on a single GPU, tuning itself, and finished ahead of every individual frontier model it was up against. See the pattern? The messier, longer, and more multi-step the job, the more orchestration pulls ahead. On a quick one-liner, it is overkill. On a marathon, it wins. Now here is why people actually care, and it is not the benchmarks. It is what happens the day the model you depend on simply disappears, and that is not hypothetical. Regulators forced Anthropic to switch off Fable 5 and Mythos for customers worldwide. Overnight, the 2 best models on the planet just went dark. Fugu is pitched as insurance against exactly that. If one provider gets cut off, you swap it out of the pool and reroute to the rest. No rewrite, no outage, no panic. But be honest about the limit. Fugu still runs on other people's models. If several top providers shut the door at the same moment, its options shrink too. It is a hedge, not true independence. So what is it actually good at? The early winners are the messy long jobs: code review, reproducing research papers, security analysis, and digging through patents and literature. One developer put it bluntly: where other tools flagged about 3 issues in a code review, Fugu surfaced more than 20. That is exactly the kind of task it shines on. Pricing is familiar: $20 a month to dabble, $100 for real work, $200 for heavy use, plus pay-as-you-go tokens, and the option to drop specific providers for privacy or compliance. And here is a nice touch: it never stacks fees. Even when 5 models touch your request, you pay one blended rate, the price of the single top-tier model in the pool, nothing more. One real catch though: you cannot see which models it actually used. The routing is a black box on purpose. Wonderfully simple to use, and genuinely awkward if you ever need to audit a decision. But does it actually feel better than Fable 5 when you sit down and use it? Here the story gets a lot bumpier. Ethan Malik called Fugu Ultra incredibly slow. A coding task that should take a few minutes ran for half an hour, and the result, in his words, was only fine. Not amazing, fine. Others burned a whole day's quota on a single prompt and grumbled that $200 a month buys you barely 3 hours of heavy use in an entire week. In one head-to-head building a little game, Fugu finished in 22 minutes for $7, while Opus took 79 minutes and nearly 38. Far faster, far cheaper. But the testers still liked Opus's output more. The early testers landed on the same word again and again: jagged. Genuinely strong at code review, weaker on front-end work, brilliant in patches, frustrating in others. So, better than Fable 5? On paper, it ties the very best while dodging the lock-in that just took Fable offline. In real use today, it is slow, pricey, and rough at the edges, but the idea underneath, a single model that conducts a whole orchestra of others, might just be the most interesting bet in all of AI right now. If that made the pieces finally click, you know what to do. This is Aura Labs, everything you needed, nothing you didn't, and I will see you in